again here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the title, yep, we are going to talk about skincare. And let me share to you the 3 basic skincare products that I think people must have. Because as you may all know, my skin is not really like this before. Like I have a lot of little bumps, dark spots, but it's not really that acne, but like small bumps, and then pangit na siya tingnan. So yeah, let me go ahead and share to you what I did to make my face way better compared to before. And I'm going to show you the routine that I do every morning and every night. Okay, so let us start.
Alright, so to start with our morning routine, so ito po ang una nating product na i-apply, which is the cleanser. So this is to cleanse our face, of course, to remove the dirt na hindi natanggal sa pag-wash natin ng face using the soap. So kung makikita nyo, yan yung pinakamahabang step. Yan yung dirt na naiwan sa mukha ko. And of course, don't forget the neck. Second product natin is ang essence. So this is called Revitalift from L'Oreal. So this is what it looks like. Apply lang natin like few drops lang kailangan. Then rub natin sa hands and apply it directly to our face in a tap motion. So this really feels very refreshing and it doesn't feel sticky at all. So this is a watery type of solution. So we just need to wait like a few seconds for our skin to absorb it. And then after that, we can move on to our next product. So last but not the least product natin is ang moisturizer. So this is the aloe vera gel. And ito po yung Celatec matte moisturizer. So since aalis ako, yung gagamitin ko is itong Celatec because it has a sunscreen to protect my skin from the harsh sun when we go out. And yun, apply lang natin yan sa face natin and also sa neck. So this is actually a matte moisturizer, so it doesn't feel sticky at all and I will not look oily when I go out. So there! So going now to our night routine. So actually the same steps lang siya. So again, the first step would be applying the cleanser, and we will be applying the cleanser after we wash our face with soap. So kahit nag-wash na tayo ng face with soap, may maiwan pa ring dirt dyan. And actually, you can use any type of cleanser, guys, na you're comfortable with. So yan, cleanse lang natin ang face natin. As you can see, may dirt pa ring naiwan. And of course, don't forget your neck after the face. So second product natin again is the essence. And yan, pinapakita ko lang ulit yung product. And then few drops, like 3 to 4 drops lang, guys. Surely that would be enough. And then yun, pat motion lang talaga. Wag natin siya i-rub. Just pat motion so that our skin can absorb it properly. And yun, pat-pat lang and wait for a few seconds for our skin to absorb it. So the last product again is the moisturizer. And dito, pinapakita ko sa inyo na ginamit ko yung aloe vera gel. And always ko yung ginagamit pag nandito lang talaga ako sa bahay. So, yun, apply lang natin sa whole face natin and also sa neck. So usually yun lang talaga yung mga steps or mga products na nilalagay ko. But since I am filming this on a weekend, so I'll be putting on my face mask. So this face mask is actually once a week ko lang siyang ginagawa. So spread lang natin siya ng ganyan and apply sa face. So, face mask is really good in nourishing and hydrating our skin. And by the way, ganito talaga yung proper way ng pag-apply ng face mask. Like, you need to apply first the products that you usually do on your night routine, and then that's the time that you apply it. And we leave it on 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes, approximately na yung 20 minutes. So again, iwasan natin na ilagay lang yung face mask alone sa face natin, because actually, yeah, that could result to breakouts. So be sure to apply first cleanser, essence, and moisturizer. Para sure tayo na malinis yung skin natin and ready yung skin natin na i-absorb yung benefits ng face mask. So there! And that ends my skin routine for a day, and I'm ready to go to sleep.
So there guys, that's how I do my skincare routine, like every morning and evening. And right now, let me go ahead and show you the products closely. But before I tackle the 3 basic things that I'm going to tell you about, so of course, before applying those products, we need to wash our face first. And by washing our face, we need like any soap actually, but for me, what I use is Navarro soap. So that's for washing the face. And then after washing your face, then I'll go ahead and cleanse my face. Because even though we wash our face, guys, meron pa ring dirt na may iwan sa face natin. And as you can see, I've shown you earlier in the video that, you know, there are still some dirts that I got on my face even though after washing it. So I used the Escanol as I've shown you on the videos. And right now, almost finished na siya. And I decided to use another type of cleansing, which is from Garnier, the Micellar Cleansing Water. So this is like less alcohol content compared to this one, I believe, because this is just like, again, as it says right here, it's cleansing water. So yun, and let me just try it, because maybe like wala lang, gusto ko mag-try ng iba. So yun, so any cleansing products would be fine. So there. And then after the cleansing products, then I've shown you the Revitalift. So in my video, I show you the smaller version of this one. But since it's almost finished, kung makikita nyo, konti na lang yun siya. Like, siguro maglalast ko yun like a week. Kasi hindi naman talaga madaming amount ng essence ang kailangan. Kasi this is an essence, guys. And this is what Koreans use. Kung makikita nyo yun sa mga Korean novellas or sa movies nila, like they do pat and everything on their face, it's the essence. So I actually read about what are the benefits of essence, and it actually like penetrates your skin and it makes your skin smoother, and also like it targets the wrinkles and the fine lines on our face. Kaya kung makikita niyo yung mga skin ng mga Koreans, they are like more on baby skin side. So yeah, kaya nainggit ako kasi you know, I've been watching Korean novellas or Korean series, and I've been wondering what are they used on their face. And yun, na-discover ko yung essence, and this is my very first essence product na ginamit. So if you know like better essence, you can just go ahead and comment down below, and maybe I'll go ahead and try it, just maybe. Because right now, nahiyang talaga ako dito. That's why I bought the bigger version of the Revitalift Essence. And yeah, this is like magic. Kasi nung wala pa tong Revitalift, or should I say, wala pa yung, hindi pa ako nag-essence. Like, okay, normal lang. Tsaka hindi masyado glowy yung skin ko. And then, but when I use this one, it made my skin glowing. Yung parang, alam mo yun sa mga Korean. Basta yun yung na-feel ko when using this one. And of course, I am not bayad sa nag-introduce ako. It's because I experience it myself. So, if you are using, or if you haven't used any essence in your life, I highly suggest that you try this one because it's worth it. And it comes with different sizes. So they have like the small ones, and they have like the medium size, and then the bigger one. I bought this, and yeah, that's the second step. So essence, and then the third one would be moisturizer. So pinakita ko sa inyo, I've shown you two types of moisturizer that I used on my face. So the first one is the aloe vera gel. So I use this one when I'm just like at home and not going outside, because wala lang, ito yung feel ko gamitin pag andito sa bahay and at night, especially at night. So every night, every morning pag nandito ako. But when I go outside, like in a day, I use this one, the Celatec Matte Moisturizer Sun Care, because meron kasi siyang SPF 30 sunscreen, so it protects my skin from the harsh sun when I go out. And yeah, not like this one na wala siyang sunscreen, because pang moisturize lang talaga to. But this is very good. I've been using this aloe vera gel since I was in the Netherlands, kasi kung makikita niyo yung mga videos ko nga in my vlogs, ang dami kong dark spots, ang dami kong like bumps, like I don't know what kind of bumps on my face na, but yeah, it helps me cure it, and yun. So aloe vera gel is a go-to too. And then again, this one is only when I go out kasi nga may sunscreen siya. So, and it's matte. It doesn't make my skin like oily, so it's a matte moisturizer. That's all. That's all the things or the steps and the basic products that I've been using on my face. And let me tell you that I have an oily type of skin. Quite sensitive sa mga creams, because I actually tried creams before as a moisturizer, like every night cream, day cream, but didn't work for me. So yun, nag-stick ako sa mga products na to, and actually yeah, I bought, you know, bigger versions. Baka you are suffering from, you know, small bumps and like uneven skin, or like hindi nyo na alam kung ano nasa face nyo. So maybe you can try these products. These products are actually not harsh onto my skin, but you should try. I can say na ang dami ng gumagamit ng mga products na to, because you can just see these products on Watsons, on the supermarket. And by the way, disclaimer lang guys, na I don't have like, you know, a very like keenness na skin. I still have like pimple marks and some little pimples right here, but these are just like ngayon lang to tumubo. Okay, and it's not because of these products, it's because maybe malapit yung period ko and or something like that, but not because of these products. So yun lang, just want to share it. And yeah, I hope that you learned something in this video, and I hope that you will achieve the skin that you would like to have. I guess that would be all, and thank you so much. And once again, my name is Uriel. Bye bye, thank you so much for watching.